presence there is fullness of joy. At the right hand are pleasures forever.
Where there's transparency, you get trust. Satan wants every one of us to have an orphan mindset. What is the orphan mindset? The orphan mindset is that I stand on the outside and I'm looking in. You can have all the dreams that you want, but you need to be diligent in everything that you put your hands on.
I remind you that even David was not going to war to fight. He was just going there to take the food for his brothers. His brother is his father Jesse said, go.
Because when you do not pray and you relegate the responsibility for prayer to your wife, you are being derelict in your duty. Because we have men who haven't understood that you have a responsibility to guard yourself, to protect yourself, to watch over yourself, and to work more on yourself than you work on anybody else.
It takes masculinity to impart masculinity.
For this day, we want to thank you for everything, Lord.
A man is a leader, someone who represents God.
The one speaker says, you need to tell your wife that you love her. She needs to hear it. Don't just assume she knows. You need to tell her, you need to speak to her.
But how did WIM really changed your life?
WIM really changed my life for the better. I grew up without a father, so that would really touch an importance of having male role models around you. So I grew up looking up to certain men, looking up to certain individuals, and it is one of the men that I looked up to that brought me to WIM, and I was exposed to different perspectives of life. For a man to be a man, it takes them being raised by men.